my girl so rare. Cruising in our CanAm Spyder so true, through the curvy roads in a sky so blue. Eastern PA calls with its hills so high. Western PA answers under the sky. Sun above and the open air. Hand in hand, there's no need to choose. Just me, my girl, and I Spyder blue.
Good morning.
Morning. Look at their progress.
Wow.
Wow.
It's going to be a UK station there. So we'll have a town with 4 gas stations and 3 traffic lights. And 4 bars.
4 bars, 2 pizza places, 1 drugstore, almost $2 generals.
So today is the 15th of August. It'll be a beautiful day. We're headed to Bob and Amy's to go out for lunch.
We might see a place that keeps the old young and the young younger.
Ooh,
We'll find out when we get there.
I need that.
We all need that, honey.
So stay tuned and don't forget, subscribe. And we just picked up a recent subscriber I checked this morning. And we thank you for subscribing.
We might make 250 before the summer's over. We have 1 to go.
One more to go.
If you got a friend out there, say, tap him on the shoulder and say, hey, there's this biker chick. I mean, biker couple.
Wow.
That really needs your thumbs up and your everything else. Your hits and your likes and your subscribe. So please do. We appreciate it.
So stay tuned for our adventures.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Gravel fly high, hit the main road just to see the night sky. Old Chevy truck with the dents in the door. We don't need a map, we've been here before. Cracked window, open, let the pine air in. Small town living is the way that we win. From the water tower to the county line, everything we got is doing just fine. Ain't nothing like a tailgate night. Dirt on the tires, feel
We're
right.
at Freeport.
Living for the starlit fields, knowing how the freedom feels. Ain't nothing like a tailgate night.
I think it's the first time we've been in here.
I don't know.
Living for the starlit fields, knowing how the freedom
I don't think so. I think we've been here before.
Walking by the creek where
Passing
the grass
through.
grows tall. Drop the back down, yeah, we're having a ball. Pass a jaw around, keep the bass thumping loud. No
we know there's a Dollar
skyscrapers
General
here,
here.
just a homegrown crowd. Got the boots on the
Is there a
metal,
gas station?
head in the breeze. Talking about
Yeah.
the roots and the family trees. Work all week just to spend it right here with the
Look at
crickets
that
and the
house.
cold
Wow.
and a cold glass of beer. Ain't nothing like a tailgate night.
Ah, this is fancy.
Feels right. Living for the starlit fields. Knowing how the freedom feels. Ain't nothing like a tailgate night. Dirt on the tires feels right. Living for the starlit fields. Knowing how the freedom feels. Shake the constellation spinning overhead. Real country folk don't need a fancy bed, just a blanket and a bed of a heavy duty rig. When the party's this good, man, our heart stays big. Pride in the dirt, pride in me. This little zip code, nothing's gonna change. Keep the lights off, let the moon do the work. Every back road turn is a Saturday purr. Ain't nothing like a tailgate night. Dirt on the tires feels right. Living for the start it feels. Knowing how the freedom feels. Ain't nothing like a tailgate night. Dirt on the tires feels right. Living for the start it feels. Knowing how the freedom feels.
Well, we had a lunch at the scoreboard.
Yep.
Wasn't bad. It was noisy at first.
Yeah. Golf people were in there. Don't care for anybody else. Clapping and hoop loud and
Oh, they calmed down. They realized they were making a lot of noise.
after you gave them the evil eye, yeah.
Hey, they're golfers.
And
And it is a sports bar.
I know, but still.
And it was reasonable.
Yeah. It's pretty good too.
And it was pretty good.
Yeah.
Off to our next destination where we might feel younger
Yeah.
when we get there. If I can find it.
I think you can find it.
Stay tuned.
Do you feel a little pep in your step? Well, I've got to tell you the truth. It was built back in 1938 as a watering hole we call the Fountain of Youth. Folks would gather round at the end of the day
We have no idea where we are.
with a tall glass and a story
I think
to
it's
tell.
Wexford, PA, but
They
I could
laugh
be
about
totally
the
wrong.
years that had slipped
It says 6
away
cents a mile. Leave the road.
and swear the
Yeah.
old fountain worked pretty well. Oh, the
Yeah, let me get
fountain
let me let you look at that.
Oh, the
Leave the road.
fountain of youth. Maybe it's magic, maybe it's truth. Take a
And
little
of course,
step
the
and you might
snobbish
feel brand new
Golf course
at the fountain of youth.
Ah.
and a bunch of clappers
At the fountain of youth.
surrounded about these big ass houses. Look at these houses. Wow. I mean, come on, man, really? Oh, the greens stop.
Okay, it's coming up.
And you're gonna use your better judgment on this one, buddy.
Okay. I got it's around here somewhere.
Years may roll on, but the memories stay. And every old face has a story or two. You may not turn 20 or 30, but hey, that's okay. A good time can make you feel young as you do. Oh, the fountain of youth. Oh, the fountain of youth.
Here it is.
Maybe it's magic, maybe it's truth. Take a little sip and you might feel brand new at the fountain of
You guys
youth.
feel younger?
Yeah, at the
You
fountain
feel
of youth.
younger?
Yeah, at the fountain of youth.
I get down there, but there's the Fountain of Youth. I feel much younger, hon.
Oh, I'm so happy you do. 'Cause seriously.
I don't know where we're going from here. We'll find a spot and see what's around here. Guess we'll follow the river for a little ways. I don't know.
Lakeshore Drive Boathouse Police Department. Didn't we go in there once? I just feel like we've been here.
Oh, it could have been many years ago. Because the last time we were here was,
No, I'm saying going through that park.
it's a big river.
Yeah.
There's a big bridge.
That's what I'm saying. It looks familiar.
Horses. Want to go over that bridge? No, I'm not.
Because we've been by here. Because I remember that.
We'll go over it. Yeah, I think we have been. Just winging it. I have no idea where the heck we are. The Pine Tavern. Okay.
Magnolia Pine Tavern.
Ooh.
Ritzy. $18 glass of wine.
Maybe. This is... Wow.
I'll do an $18 box of wine. Is that a house? Oh gosh, no, it's
That looks like a church.
it's a cemetery. What, inside?
Maybe.
Wow.
sleep, just enough room for the soul to breathe. Kick the dust off the boots today, left a heavy heart in the rear view bay. Our friends are lined up right behind, waiting for the signal, ready to go. Checking the
Freeport,
maps that our father signed, keeping the spirit of what we
Freeport,
know.
Maine. Oh, they must be twins.
Spiders and Harleys in the timber and pines. We are the thunder, we are the light, chasing the sun till it's out of our sight. High peaks and the winding white lines,
Oh, look, they have
riding the ridge where the
cornhole tournament.
heritage shines. Those who came before didn't have it easy. They bit
Here
the
we are,
grit
coming into
when the air got free. They
Canyon.
laid the asphalt through the granite stone, so we
I wanna
never
go this
have to
way.
ride
Okay.
this world alone.
Here
To the left where the
we go
switchback ends, a chain of steel and a circle of friends.
Oh, what a
Home
mess this
is
is.
reflecting the wide open sky.
They got boat races.
Watching the eagles and the hawks fly by.
They must be having something again.
Yeah.
Spiders and Harleys.
Oh, sweet. Oh.
Thank you for riding with
Weed
us.
whacker whacking.
As weed whacking rocking. Why is that door open?
What?
Okay.
Okay, well,
Mr. D.
you might have left it open.
Oh.
Hi, kitty cat.
Well, thanks for coming along with us on our ride, and I hope you feel much younger because I do.
Absolutely.
How
I
about
just
you,
lost
baby?
10 years off my life.
Wow. Hope you enjoyed our Fountain of Youth. Cool.
That's old. Can't remember what it's called.
So thanks for coming along. Don't forget to subscribe and share and like and leave a comment.
Wow, we touched 50 gold.
That's right.
Tell your friends.
Every moment feels the same. With the wind, our hearts stay true.